Welcome to my channel, Deshi Man Traveler. As you know, I'm in Lalmonirhat, it's northern part of Bangladesh. It's nearing the border of India. I'm going to visit a cow farm where I'll show you how they milk the cow by hand. And these are the hays. These are for the cows. So follow me and we'll be going to show you now. This is a cow farm of my nephew, and they are pretty good cows. They're Australian ones. And there's some baby calf. There's the baby cow drinking the milk. These are Australian cows. Now I'll show you how they milk the cow by hand. And first they oil the nipples. That's how they're going to oil the nipple. And then they're going to milk it. That's how they're going to loosen it. See, that's how the milk comes out. It's so good. It's pure milk. Wait. Wow. This is the olden days. People used to milk the cows like this. Now they use the machine. But in this farm, they use the hand. They use the hand to milk the cows. Thank you. Dhanyawad. They've got 60 cows here. I'll talk to the owner very soon. That's the baby calf. These cows are very good. Mama, তোমার কতগুলো গরু আছে? How many cows you have got?
60 cows.
He has got 60 cows. And বাচ্চা কতগুলা?
25.
Oh, the baby calves is 25 and বড় গরু?
বড় গরু 35 years.
35. The cows are 35 and the calves are 25. And what I was wondering, খাবার কি খাওয়াও তুমি?
Straw,
Grass, straw. They cut it into pieces and কোনো vitamins দাও? This is how they do it. Calcium, vitamins. That machine is used to cut the hay, and then এগুলো কি পানিতে মিশাও? They mix it with water and it becomes soft and the cows can eat it. কত বছর ধরে করছো এটা?
20 years.
This farm is about 20 years old. And তুমি কি বাচ্চা বিক্রি করো না?
বাচ্চা গাবি।
Oh, he sells the baby calves and also the cows. Usually male cow নাই তো তোমার? All male, মহিলা. All women cows, they just milk but not male ones. আর কি বলছিলাম জানি? এটা এরা কি এখান থেকে বাইরে যায় না এখানে থাকে? They always stay here, they don't go out. And কতজন কাজ করে তোমার ফার্মে?
6.
হ্যাঁ? 6 people work here 24 hours a day. 24 ঘন্টা কাজ করে. And they have got fans, small fans over here, and good ventilations for the cows. And it's pretty clean. They wash it. And এই গরুটা এখানে কেন? Oh, this is the barrier where they keep the sick cows, and this calf is sick. So they isolated it, which is very good. এটাও কি Australian গরু? This is Australian This is Australian. Huh?
এগুলো ফিজের
Holstein Friesian. This is the Australian cows. My God, this looks like a bull. সুন্দর হয়েছে। এগুলো Australian. All the cows are Australian here. And the baby calf here. Indian Bangladesh এটা নাই? The ones you see here is all overseas cows. That one is pretty big. And this is how they feed it. They put water and hay in it. They wash it and then they can eat it. Now pretty soon they'll be feeding them. Oh, সবগুলো number আছে. They've got tags on the ears. গরুর গোবর কি করো? These are also.
এটা দিছি
The first cow is the local one, and then the rest others are all foreign cows. ওইটা তো দেশি বোধহয়. There's 2 local ones, and the rest all are overseas. এটা কি?
এটা কালার বসে
আচ্ছা.
ডাল ডাল
This is from the lintel.
ফিট
These সবগুলো খাওয়াতে হয়. These are all cow food and medicines over there.
প্রজনন করে পাঠা আছে
And this is Chinese ducks. We used to have it once. ওইগুলো দেশি, এটা তো চাইনিজ। আমাদের ছিল, আহারে গাড়ির চাকার নিচে অনেক বছর বাঁচে। They live a long time. These are betel nut trees. Guru. These are all goats here. Okay, wow. কোন দেশের এগুলা? These are crossbreed. And there's some pigeons here. Wow. That's how they make the house for the pigeons. Huh. These are native ducks. And the papayas. This is how they keep the hay, with one pillar in, and they put it around these hays.